Welcome back everyone. I am Saptaparni from BioLive. Hope all of you are doing very well. So in today's video we are going to discuss about a very important topic of genetics, that is phenocopy. So before beginning my video, I would like to request you to kindly subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell button below if you are new to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Okay. So without further delay, let's begin. See, from the name it is evident that phenocopy is a phenotype which is a copy of another phenotype. Okay, so pheno means phenotype and copy means copied phenotype. So phenocopy is such phenotype that is not genetically controlled. So you have to remember that the phenocopy is such a phenotype that is not genetically controlled. So obviously it will not be inherited. Okay, as it is not genetically controlled, it will not be inherited. Rather, it is induced by any environmental condition. Okay, so phenocopy is such a phenotype that is not genetically controlled, rather induced by any environmental condition. And it actually resembles another phenotype that is determined by a specific genotype. Okay, so this phenotype which is determined by a specific genotype is the original one, and phenocopy is the copied version of that phenotype. Okay, and phenocopy is not genetically controlled, rather it is only the result of induction by any environmental condition. Okay, so let's understand this with an example. See, in Mendelian monohybrid cross, we have seen that capital T or capital T small t genotype dictates tall pea plant. Okay, and small t genotype dictates dwarf pea plant. Okay, so this is their genotype and respective phenotype. Okay, got it. But in water scarce condition, okay, which is an environmental condition, capital T or capital T small t genotype can also give rise to dwarf pea plant. Okay, so see, this dwarfness is an effect of water scarcity, or is under the influence of an environmental change. Okay, it is not dictated by these genotypes, because genotypically this capital T or capital T small t must give rise to tall pea plants. So this dwarfness is not genetically controlled by this genotype, rather it is a result of environmental change, that is the water scarcity here. So this dwarfness is a phenocopy of that dwarf plant which is determined by genotype small t. So this dwarf plant is the original plant which have a genetical predisposition. It is controlled by small t genotype, and this dwarf plant is a copy of this dwarf plant. Got it? So this dwarf one is the phenocopy of the original dwarf pea plant which is determined by genotype small t. Got it? So this is all about phenocopy. Now let's understand this with some real life examples. See, in Drosophila melanogaster or fruit fly, we see that normal body color is brown and there is a genetic variant body color, that is yellow. Okay, so normal larva generally under normal condition or normal environment gives rise to brown bodied fly. But if the normal larva is grown under food containing silver salts, they may give rise to yellow fly. Okay, so this yellow fly is genetically brown fly. Okay, but due to this environmental condition, due to this change in feeding pattern, their coat color, or not coat color, their body color changes into yellow. Okay, so this yellow color is not determined by the genotype, rather it is determined by the environmental condition, so it is non-hereditary, and so it is a phenocopy of genetically controlled yellow variant. So here this yellow one is the original phenotype and this yellow fly is the phenocopy of this yellow fly. Okay, which has a genotypic predisposition. Got it? Now second example is Himalayan rabbit. See, Himalayan rabbit in moderate climatic condition gives rise to a white body coat with black ears and tails. This is the normal condition, okay, normal phenotype. But under cold climatic condition, all the body with ears and tails all becomes black, okay. So see, this blackness of the Himalayan rabbit is not genotypically determined, rather it is determined by its environmental condition under which it is grown, okay. So it is obviously a phenocopy which is non-hereditary, and it is a copy of which phenotype, okay, it is a copy of that black rabbit which is genetically black, okay. So this black rabbit is a copy of genetically black rabbit, okay, got it. Let's see the third example. In human baby, we can see that under normal pregnancy, normal limb development occurs, okay. But if the mother during her early pregnancy is consuming sleep-inducing drug thalidomide, then phocomelia can be seen in the babies, okay. What is phocomelia? Phocomelia means shortened limbs, like flipper-like limbs develop there, okay. So why this phenotype is observed? Because thalidomide, this sleep-inducing drug, actually affects the skeletal formation of the fetus during their early limb birth formation, okay. That is why the deformity in the limbs can be seen here. So this phocomelia is induced by environmental condition or the consumption of this drug, okay. So this phocomelia is not genetically induced. This fetus was genetically normal, but this phocomelia is induced due to the drug. So this is a phenocopy of the genetically induced deformity in the limbs, okay, got it. And last but not the least, the genetically induced ricket versus vitamin D deficient ricket. See, the genetically induced ricket, it is due to the mutation in some genes, okay, this ricket occurs. But when for a longer time you consume vitamin D deficient food, okay, or you have deficiency in vitamin D, then also ricket can be observed. So this ricket is not genetically controlled, rather it is a result of vitamin D deficiency in your food, okay, or in your diet. So these vitamin D deficient ricket is a phenocopy of these genetically induced ricket, got it. So it is vitamin D deficient ricket is not inherited, got it. So this is all about the phenocopy. I hope the video is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can leave a comment down below. Okay, I would like to answer that. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching and happy learning.